So good afternoon, people. It's currently 1:12 p.m. EST here in the USA. Well, fun, Funimation. And Crunchyroll. So there's something interesting today. They merged their titles together. They did. So like Dragon Ball Z, that's a Funimation title. You cannot watch that on Crunchyroll. Yes, that's true. Also, there was a part-timer. Funimation title. You cannot watch that on Crunchyroll. And the version of the theater, that's a Crunchyroll title. You cannot watch that on Funimation now. Also, Blood Bucket Benefit, that's a Crunchyroll title. But it's not going to be watched on Funimation. Or Princess cannot read have. Which is the same one as Konosuba. You can watch that on Crunchyroll. And I can watch that on Funimation as well. Did you know this news? Do you like my shirt? Anyways, if you learned something in this video, comment down below, or share it, or like it, or spread it around. Have a good day. I got shit to do.